In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data labels to chart in Microsoft Excel. If you want your chart to be easier to read at a glance, adding data labels is a great option. Data labels show the actual values directly on the chart, so viewers do not have to estimate numbers by looking at the axis alone. This is especially useful when you're presenting data and want the information to be clear right away. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the chart you want to update. The first thing you need to do is click directly on the chart to select it. Once the chart is selected, Excel will show that it is active, and this lets you access chart-specific tools and options. Make sure you click on the chart itself and not just somewhere else on the worksheet, because the next option only appears when the chart is selected. After that, look to the right side of the chart for the plus icon, which is the Chart Elements button. Go ahead and click that button. This menu gives you quick access to common chart features you can turn on or off, such as titles, legends, grid lines, and of course, data labels. It's one of the fastest ways to customize a chart without opening more advanced formatting panels. When the Chart Elements menu appears, find the option labeled Data Labels and check the box next to it. As soon as you do that, Excel will automatically place the values onto the chart. You should immediately see the numbers appear near the bars, columns, points, or slices depending on the type of chart you're using. If the labels appear a little crowded, that can happen depending on the chart size or the amount of data shown. In that case, it can help to resize the chart slightly or review the layout so the values are easier to see. But in most cases, simply enabling data labels is enough to make the chart much more informative and easier to understand. And that's it. To add data labels to a chart in Microsoft Excel, just select the chart, click the Chart Elements button on the right, and check the Data Labels box. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your data is presented. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.